Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making an arrangement using this heart base. I have soaked the oasis and glued some moss around it, and the oasis is on a wooden base. And then after that I would add red carnations. And here I have got a pink one I can pop in the middle. I will just cut this stem and keep that in the middle there. And then all I need is one or two more carnations. Open the carnations out a bit. There we go. And add some greenery. I have also made a golden bowl. I would just pop that at the front there. And there you go, a very simple, easy arrangement to make. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see any more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.